Hello fellas, today we're going to react to Vidyut Jamwal and Ajith helicopter action scene in South dub movie. It is actually, this video was actually given to me in the Instagram, one of the commenters, and he's actually running a fan page of Thala Ajith, and me being one of the fans of Thala Ajith, and like the way his action and everything which he does, all the movies and everything, so he just sent it to me across and he told me you should react to this particular scene. So we are going to react to this particular scene. Before I end the video, I'd like to request you to please hit the subscribe button, also bell icon to never miss this from me. And without further ado, let's start. Limousine. Wow.
So, what have you decided, Mr. Dimitri? The deal is not worth it. Do you think we are fools? We can't go ahead. It's fine. I'll find somebody else. What does he think of himself? This won't work. He's useless. Idiot. Wait! Who said that?
Wow. Nice. Amazing. Ow.
If you see David, get him and recover our weapon.
Thala, no.
The train should reach the port at any cost, you understand? Now go. Follow the train! Follow! Follow the train! Follow!
is this movie? Oh my god. Hard, man, his punches are too hard. Holy shit. And if I'm not mistaken, this stunt is actually done by himself, Thala Ajith. It is not like, and it is, I don't know if it is CGI or if it's like a real one. It feels real, it feels really real, man. No freaking way. Holy shit. What was that? I mean, what is this movie? I'm not able to understand what actually happened over here. Which movie it is actually? Blowing action from Commando 2. No, it's not Commando 2. There's something. If you know, please do let me know in the comment section which is this movie. This is something which is like I have not seen. I have not even known about this particular movie. I'm a fan of Thala Ajith. I like his movies and I like his work and great thing. But please do let me know in the comment section what actually this movie is all about. Vidyut Jamwal is one of the great martial artists of all time, and it is like this kind of scene is not expected from out of him, because like it clearly shows that he is not putting all the efforts which he usually does in the action scene, because it's he's in the negative role. But talking about Thala Ajith and this particular like hand-to-hand comeback fight scene in the helicopter, this puts both of them in danger. So that's the reason this might work in a little bit of way possible. So this was the reaction, this was review. I hope you liked it. Same point of time, I'd like to request you please give a very big thumbs up to this particular video. Also, if you're into my channel, I'd like to request you please subscribe and also bell icon, so name is from me. And next reaction, next year, next review, I would request you to stay connected.